Want to program a new key fob for your 2011-2016 Ford F-250, F-350, F-450, or F-550 Super Duty? It's a straightforward process you can usually do yourself. These trucks use a 314 MHz frequency key fob with lock, unlock, and panic buttons. Some also have remote start. Before you start, make sure you have your new key fob and know that this method programs the keyless entry functions, not the ignition key itself. You'll need a working key or fob to begin the process. While generally DIY friendly with an 80 to 90% success rate, be aware that timing is crucial for successful programming. Also, ensure the replacement fob matches your truck's model year, especially if it's a 2013 or newer model with MyKey integration. Step 1. Enter your Super Duty with a working key or fob. Close all doors. Step 2. Within 5 seconds of closing the door, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Step 3. Press the lock and unlock buttons on the new fob simultaneously for 2 to 4 seconds, then release. Step 4. Cycle the ignition off and on again, repeating the button press within 10 seconds. Step 5. Exit the vehicle and test the fob. If it doesn't work, double-check the fob's battery, CR2032, and repeat the steps. If problems persist, an OBD2 scanner might reveal error codes like Euro 140. Reprogramming after a system reset might solve the issue. If all else fails, a dealer scan tool may be required.